Are you kidding me, guys?
Okay, let's throw it here.
Another attempt. Oh! What?
I think some, or maybe it's just stuck. Let me throw it one
No,
more time.
you gotta try there again. What? You're kidding me. Oh my gosh!
Can you see it?
What is that?
Look at, it's something big there. No way.
All right.
Oh boy. Can you put it? Let me film you. Here we go, I got it. So, is it heavy?
It's heavy.
I have something in my car.
Look at that. I'm loving it, Archie.
Okay, take it. Was a jackpot.
It's definitely metal. So that's awesome.
Finger heavy.
All right. Now we have to move it back, Archie. I'll tell you when. Keep going. Come on, a bit more.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh boy.
This is awesome. There we go. Put this through.
So, is it a good knot?
Oh, this is exciting, guys. This is exciting.
So, okay, are you ready, guys?
Gently. Oh my!
There is really something big.
Careful, careful.
Oh boy.
It's a safe. What? Stop, stop, stop. Oh my gosh.
How is it even possible?
This is so cool.
They will write us that it's a fake.
Well, they don't know.
And look at this. Someone tried to open it. Now we'll try to open it.
Archie, we have to open this. You have the
Okay.
tools, right?
Yeah, I have a
Let's
lot
switch off your engine. What to pick? All right.
Maybe it will help us.
Why not? Let's try this.
And I have
No way! Yes!
grinder.
I just want to try this. Oh my god, it's hard. It's not even a dent.
Wow. Oh boy. Oh, here we go.
There we go.
And they...
Yeah, but the previous guys didn't have a car full of goodies like you.
That's true. That's true.
All right. All right, careful.
I think it will not working. Yo, just... Oh! Dog, are you okay?
No, I'm fine.
Fine?
I don't think we can do it with this.
So,
I think we should try the angle grinder.
but where exactly? You know, the metal things goes right around this door.
I'm not sure. I don't know safes that well.
So, okay, let's try to cut it here, to make
right.
cut here. Oh boy.
There we go. Whoa. You know what, Archie? I think from how I can see, it's actually, there's a safety precaution that you can't actually drill into this. And I'm thinking it has at least two sticks here on each side. So I don't know. I don't know.
What if we'll try to open it from the side?
You think so?
Maybe here is the... Oh, where's
Oh,
this thing?
look, it does.
Let me check something. Oh boy.
You want to poke it?
Oh, look at this, all water going down.
Let me try
Yes.
poke it.
Okay.
Ready?
Oh boy. Oh. Oh, it definitely go through.
There we go.
So, it's... Yeah, you're right. It's very thin metal here, so we can go some window here. We can
All
make
right.
some window here.
All right.
Oh boy! What do you think? Can we open it through this hole?
I think. Oh my gosh! Look how thick the door is. And then this is just super thin.
Oh,
What's that?
books here.
Medical tourism in developing countries. Wherever it dries. What is that?
I think I know this.
Oh my gosh, Archie, you know what this is? This is a gun safe.
Yes, I told you so.
This is where you put the, unless it's for your gardening tools.
Are you can use it like so if you worry about your gardening tools.
That's insane. You know what we can do? I think we can
What?
get out of here.
It's
I think I know what this is.
Oh boy, this bag's
No
supposed
way.
to save it, but it didn't.
This is a comic book.
Yeah.
It's probably like limited edition or something. Space Battle Lunchtime.
Maybe if they save it in the safe.
Damn it. I'm so gutted, Archie.
I'm worried too. Oh, we're right. Look at this.
Oh man.
What you did.
Let's carefully take it back to the car. Archie,
What?
I have something. I read this in a book once and I just want to see if it works. There we go. There we go.
What?
There's a button in
Are
here.
you kidding?
There's a button. All right, try push it now. Yes!
Success!
Look at this.
Go.
You see? There it is.
Okay, let's check
This in
everything.
here.
Some people put money in this. What is this? Oh, diary?
1999.
So-
Right, got some nice books there, but maybe they're vintage books. But they're damaged beyond.
We'll need to check them. Maybe there is some money because.
Right, we'll evaluate it later.
Oh,
Oh wow.
what's
Can I
this?
see that?
Yeah.
Do you think this is a?
Oh,
You think this? No, this doesn't. That does not fit. No.
no, definitely not from here. It's I don't know.
This is cool though. I'm curious what this is for. All right, you know
Some
what?
paper.
I'm keen on getting in there.
Oh, wait a second. Look at this.
Another key.
I know from where it is.
I doubt it's that.
It's from here, definitely.
No, it's not.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, let's see.
What?
Easy peasy.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Why they left
What?
it here? Oh boy.
You're joking. All right.
What's in there?
What's inside?
There is some box.
What?
What? Okay, let's start from this box.
It looks damaged.
No way.
What is that?
No way.
It's a
Is it a
watch.
gold or?
It looks brand new as well.
They
You know what?
still working.
No, they can't be working. No.
See?
What?
Wow.
That's impossible.
That's impossible.
That's nice though.
Okay,
All
good.
right, well, at least we found something nice.
Awesome.
All right, what else is in there?
There is another box.
I like boxes. It's like Christmas.
Oh, look at this.
Look at the water.
Oh boy.
Oh wow. It's a brooch.
Ouch.
It's a brooch.
I don't know. Oh, here's the broken locker.
Nice.
But okay. Wow.
Nice.
Wow.
Nice find.
I think you were right. It's actually
It is a gun locker.
it's gun locker.
That's cool. A shotgun cartridge.
Whoa.
What?
Wow.
All right. This reminds me of that time on Titanic.
Nice.
That's cool.
So,
Think they're
are
real?
they real?
I hope they're. I mean, why else would they be in the safe?
Actually, you're right.
You know what? Let's get evaluated.
Yep. Let's
Yeah.
put it here.
I'm happy that why would someone leave the key inside the safe for the small safe? It makes
I have
no
no
sense.
idea. Maybe they hit somewhere.
It makes no sense.
It
But
makes
that's
sense.
insane. That's insane. I'm really happy that we actually did find some nice stuff. That looks.
That's what I found there.
Where's the second one?
Check it. But I think it's a.
That's it. There's nothing else in there.
I think it's a cheap thing. There's no gold at all.
So maybe it has emotional value, or that's it.
Wow. Actually, it's nice. Nothing here. Nothing more.
All right.
Wow. It was nice magnet fishing, right?
That's amazing.
Wow.
High five.
Wow.
Let's
Nice.
clean this up. Maybe we can take it to the metal scrap and maybe get a pretty penny for this.
Yeah. So how we'll put in my car? There is no space, but
We're gonna drag it.
like this.
All right, let's prep up. It's getting dark.
Yeah. Subscribe to the channel and leave the comments what you like more from this stuff.